Welcome back to Knives and Tequila. Now, earlier this week, I had a hankering for a king's feast. And honestly, a task I was not prepared for. But I knew exactly who to call upon. Now, Meggie here, we're very much alike in our love for food, premium tequila, but we differ vastly. She actually knows how to cook it. So today, I'm excited for the king's feast. What are we making?
Today, we're gonna make Instant Pot braised short rib pasta.
Ooh, the king's feast. Enjoy. Now, before we start this nearly impossible task, we're gonna get a little liquored up. So we're gonna make some palomas. And I honestly have no idea how to make a paloma. Not so sure she does either.
Neither do I.
But we're gonna do our best. So we're gonna start with our non-sponsored tequila, Dulce Vida, because we haven't chosen which tequila company to go with yet. So many options. It's a good morning dose. I'll let you.
I'm gonna go with a splash. That's pretty good,
All right,
That's got tequila in it.
All right, so we've got grapefruits and grapefruit topo.
You mean to cut that up for
I'm
you?
gonna let you do,
I can do that.
Do your thing.
I think I'm gonna go with the classic wedge.
See how protected the fingers are?
Curl them fingers.
All right.
There you go.
Perfect. Yeah. All right, the fizzy bubbly. Hey, subscribe. Feed you. And there we are, bartending tools.
Oh, now mine's really strong.
Didn't think that one through. All right. Oh, I forgot to salt the rim. That's what's missing. All right, guess we'll cook.
Ready?
Where are we starting?
All right, take the Instant Pot and put it on the saute feature. Go ahead and take that lid off too. All right, we're gonna let it get good and hot.
All right.
So while that's heating up, take your short ribs.
4 to 5 pounds, get it from your meat man. He'll cut it just like so.
And you're gonna salt and pepper those puppies liberally.
A generous, yeah, okay. Shit.
Ooh, coarsely ground.
Yeah.
Knives and Tequila spares no expense.
What's that? No.
It's beautiful.
Not here, not for the king's feast. Just salt and pepper, that's it?
That's it. All right, see if that oil is shimmering.
We're not.
Looking shimmery?
It's shining.
You're gonna sear them
Ah.
on all sides.
Sizzle, bitches. All right, so now we seared it up a little bit. We're gonna flip these things. That's what we're looking at. Yep.
Beautiful!
Exhausting. Get a little baby. Paloma back.
Yeah.
All right, we're taking them out.
Nice and crusty.
All right. Going right back in?
Yep.
All right.
Just do the rest of them.
Well, stand up, my friend. Stand tall.
So you want to have a nice crust on your short ribs. This is gonna help them seal in their moisture and shred easily.
Ah. All right, well, those things are hanging out. Onion time?
Onion time!
All right. I've been training for this.
Today's your day.
Yeah, let's see you go.
All right, I'll do half, you do half.
Deal.
I'm gonna cut through the center. I'm gonna leave this intact to hold it together. The root end.
This is what I've seen before, and I just can't recreate it.
I believe in you. I'm not very fast, but I'm
That's all right.
effective.
I'm just a mess and I cry every time.
Look at this.
All right.
Nope. I'm staying out of it.
All right, I'm just gonna go like that. That was it? Keep it? I thought you kept that in.
No, you keep the root end, but that's okay. It's still gonna be fine. It's all getting blended up anyway.
Oh, all right.
Nice maneuver.
All the way.
Nope, not all the way.
Ah! How do people do it like that?
I'm so nervous. That's good, that's good.
Not crying. All right, so what's next?
Okay, you are going to put a little splash of olive oil back in your Instant Pot. Just a wee bit. That's good. Yep. and then you're gonna put all the onions in there. You're gonna have 2 cloves of garlic. What I like to do is cut off the root end and cut off the pointy end. I don't know what it's called. And smash it on the back of your knife like that. And then the skin just falls right off.
Ah.
And then you chop it. Now you try it.
All right. Root in.
Great job.
Smash.
You missed the other end, but that's all right.
Ah, shit.
There you go. That'll do.
And there's my contribution.
So toss in your garlic. Now we're gonna chop up tomatoes. I'm just gonna quarter them and then have the quarters. And you can dump those in the Instant Pot, just like so.
Smells better than anything I've ever made already.
Oh no!
Little halves.
There you go.
All right.
Stir her up.
Well done.
Next step, are you ready? Dijon. You're gonna do
Dijon.
3 tablespoons. You don't really have to measure it, you can just eyeball it. And then we gotta open that bottle of wine.
Ooh, all right. Now the wine I went with was Estancia.
Beautiful.
Because if you sound like an asshole saying it, you know it's good. Aha! Completed.
Love that noise!
Smells rich.
1 cup.
Not just any wine, it's Estancia.
You gotta scrape up the burnt bits on the bottom.
Oh, I thought you were gonna tell me to drink that.
You do that too.
All right.
That's called the frond.
The frond.
What's burnt on the bottom.
Down with that
That's
frond.
All right.
All right, we're deglazed. What's up?
So now I want you to put the short ribs back in. Now you're gonna open the beef broth.
How much of this we need?
2 cups. Set it to sealing. Push that thingy to the back. Yep, you're good. You're good to go. And then we're going to do meat and then do it on 50 minutes.
Fuck. All right, and
just leave it alone.
all right, we're 30 minutes in and the tequila is setting in.
Yes.
My ice is getting soggy, but we've got work to do. What's next?
All right, next up, take them spirals.
Squash spirals, dual packs. All right, so what are we gonna do with spirals?
So these spirals are super long and hard to eat. So what you're gonna do is dump them out. Okay, well that one's not, but the majority of them are.
All right, there we go.
Dump them out and quarter them. Yes. Beautiful. Toss them back in their home.
Audio home. All right. Skillet oil nudes. All right, so while the nudes are noodling, I guess we got to cut some greenery. We got some parsley.
Give them a good little rinsey. And then what I like to do is just cut the tops off.
Like so.
Well, you can go more like here.
All right, like the whole damn thing.
Yep. And then just give it a good little nice rough chop.
Stems and all?
Stems and all. Don't be scared. That's good. That's a good rough chop.
No look. I don't know what to do with my other hand.
You can put it on top of the knife.
Yeah, see, I like that move. I was getting made fun of for that. It's smart.
Ah. So we're gonna put half in the sauce when we blend, and we're gonna put half fresh on top.
It has been a long 50 minutes. And now we release the pressure.
Wafting, wafting.
That's wafting. All right, we
Release the beast.
reveal. Shit, son. Ooh.
Are we tender?
We're tender. It doesn't even want to be on the bone.
Oh shoot, yes.
That bone doesn't even want to stay on. Look
That's
at
a
that.
good sign.
Yes.
Success! Ow!
That was a hard five.
Really hard.
Fuck you up. I was excited about it.
So, you're going to carefully take that out and put it into the blender. Now, what you're gonna do to avoid disaster, put the lid on, but leave the little spout open.
Hot pulse.
Okay, now let's put like quarter of that parsley in and blend again.
And we're blended.
Now you'll pour the sauce back into the pot.
And now we got the juice back in the pot, we shred. Aggressive. Keep shredding. Well, that was easy. Guess we should try it.
King's Feast.
All right, what's next?
All right,
We'll get rid of
we're
the
gonna
bone
mix
here.
the meat with the sauce.
2 claws.
2 claws
All right, so everything's together.
together.
You just gotta make it look pretty. I'm
You want me to do
I'm
that?
leaving that up to you.
Okay, I can do that.
Pasta tricks.
Pasta tricks. I don't know if pasta tricks will work with butternut squash noodles.
Well, and we cut them all up.
Yeah, we cut them.
It'll look pretty.
It'll be beautiful. So strain off a little bit of the liquid. You're going
Yep.
mainly meat and liquid. Okay, and then we gotta top it off. We need a little sprinkle. Beautiful.
Well, and there it is. You did not disappoint. The King's Feast. All right, we'll celebrate. All right, well done. All right, let's eat.
Okay, get the tequila flavor out of my mouth. Mmm. So good.
That's it. Impressed with that feast? I know you are. So do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell. You'll get a nice little notification every time I'm making up a delicious new feast.